Okay, so good evening everyone, and we are live one more time on School Life versus College Life. And जितनी भी लड़कियां इस वक्त वेट कर रही है, we will be joined by Priyank Sharma very soon. So let's see. Priyank is here. So let me check. So मैं सबको बता दूं, we are going to be joined by Priyank Sharma very soon. जितने भी उनके फैंस हैं, स्पेशली ऑल द गर्ल्स. सो लेट्स सी. सो यू कैन ज्वाइन इन एंड यू कैन कमेंट इन योर क्वेश्चंस. मैं जितना हो सकेगा आपके क्वेश्चंस प्रियांक से पूछ के आंसर करवाता जाऊंगा. सो लेट्स सी. Yes, Priyankian forever. Yeah, I am also excited. So let's see. So yes, we have got lots of questions, so I'm just waiting for Priyank to join in with us. Still waiting for him. Let's see. Okay. Yes, I'm still waiting. Actually मैं सर को ही पिंग कर रहा हूँ इस वक्त कि कहाँ रह गए वो. Is he here? Still waiting. मैं भी वेट कर रहा हूँ. So वेट करते हैं. He'll be joining us very shortly. Upadhyay, thanks for the suggestion, but it's my choice. So I won't take your suggestion. Still waiting. I think Upadhyay, I'm not maybe आपको अच्छी चीज़ें पसंद नहीं है. So yes, and we are going.
I think I'm live. Yes, sir, Vishal. How are you, brother? What's been happening?
मैं आपका वेट कर रहा था बिकॉज लड़कियों ने हमें इतने डीएम्स कर प्रियांक को लाइव लाइए, प्रियांक को लाइव.
अरे बाप रे, अरे बाप रे, अरे बाप रे. क्या चल रहा है? How are you, Vishal? Long time, first of all. I'm meeting you after I think almost one year and few more months, I guess. है ना? Feb में मिले थे, Jan में मिले थे, I think last year.
प्रमोशन टाइम पे.
हाँ, मुझे याद है.
That live went great.
That time was a crazy interview also. I remember that. That was one crazy interview also with the entire cast when me, Siddharth, and everybody, Harshita, Khushi, we all were present there. I remember that.
Right.
That was quite fun. और क्या चल रहा है?
और मैं बस अभी आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ और झाड़ू लगा रहा हूँ. पूजा भी सीख गया.
वो तो सबके साथ ही है. ये सबकी स्टोरी है अभी विशाल. It's everybody right now.
Yeah, but let me introduce.
बोला.
We have the very charming and dashing Priyank Sharma.
अरे thanks sir, thank you. कितना स्वीट है.
देख रही हैं and जिन्होंने क्वेश्चंस भेजे हैं सर, मेरे पास endless list है क्वेश्चंस की. दिख नहीं रही.
चालू कर दे. मैं कह रहा हूँ शुरू कर दे. मुझे वापस झाड़ू लगाने जाना है. मुझे वापस झाड़ू लगाने जाना है.
अभी आंटी को बोलिए थोड़ा वेट करें वो.
रुक जाए.
यही पूछूंगा कि अभी 21 डेज का पहले लॉकडाउन निकल गया, अभी सेकंड फेज चल रहा है, कैसे आप टैकल कर रहे हैं?
यार सेम रूटीन यार. पता है विशाल, पहली बात आई रियली फील के लॉकडाउन तो मुझे लग ही रहा था कहीं ना कहीं कि लॉकडाउन बढ़ेगा. because अभी जरूरत है nation को. The entire nation wants it, and even right now, even after 3rd May also, I'm not gonna be stepping out of my house honestly. And I really, really advise everybody out there who's watching the live and the entire team of you guys, please don't step out because वी ऑल नो सिंगापुर में कैसे कैसे केसेस खराब हो गए थे एकदम से जब उन्होंने एकदम से लॉकडाउन हटा दिया था. सो जस्ट ट्राई एंड अवॉइड गोइंग आउट राइट नाउ फॉर द एंटायर मंथ. सो मुझे लगता नहीं मैं मई के महीने में बाहर निकलने वाला हूँ बॉस. सीधा जून में सीधा जून में सीधा जून
चलिए
में
विश
निकलूंगा.
कि लॉकडाउन जल्दी से लिफ्ट हो जाए तो हम निकल पाए.
हाँ यार, आई होप मैन, आई होप आई होप आई होप.
Want you to be back on. They are waiting eagerly to see you.
Yes, even we all are waiting. We all are waiting to come back. काम करे हुए I feel अभी ऐसा लग रहा है इतना टाइम हो गया है that कुछ करने को है नहीं. So it feels very incomplete. So yes, we are just hoping right now. So let's see यार.
Start करता हूँ questions.
Please कर दे.
तो प्रिया लाइफलाइन इसकी एडमिन है, नव्या है, एंड ये पूछना चाहती है
नव्या नो.
आस्था गिल के साथ
नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट आस्था के साथ. आई थिंक आस्था के साथ लोगों ने काफी देख लिया मुझे. अभी और देखना चाहते तो कर लेंगे यार. आस्था घर की बात है. आस्था के साथ तो मतलब कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. बट आई रियली फील आस्था एंड मी हैव रियली कम आउट विद 2 great songs. And she should focus on different things. I should be focusing on different things. We have our own careers to handle. So, but घर वाली बात है, जब मन करेगा आ जाएंगे यार. उसमें कोई ऐसा स्ट्रेस नहीं है guys. Don't worry. But sooner, maybe sooner.
Great. Yeah. So I would just request कि जिनने क्वेश्चन पूछा उनका एक बार आप नाम ले लीजिएगा. So नव्या ने ये क्वेश्चन किया था.
नव्या, I know Navya. Yes. Hi Navya.
बैन क्यूटेस्ट करके एक आईडी है एंड ये पूछना चाहते हैं हाउ इज योर बॉन्डिंग विद बेनफ्शा.
Vinafsha, my bonding with Vinafsha. What do you guys think? She is my girlfriend, guys. कैसी bonding होगी मेरी अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ? आपकी कैसी होती है आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ? बस मेरी भी वैसी ही होगी यार. और क्या?
तो मैक्सिमम लोग वही इंटरेस्टेड हैं जानने के लिए.
I'm sure, I'm sure.
I would like to dedicate. ये भी एक रिक्वेस्ट आई है फैंस.
क्या 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 क्या?
I would like to dedicate to her.
Your voice got I skipped your voice.
Yeah. So fans has a request. Would you like to dedicate a song to her?
I can dedicate a song, but I can't sing a song because I'm very bad in singing. Ben is really good when it comes to singing, whereas I really suck when it comes to singing. But one of the songs I really want to give it to Ben is Habitual, which we both listen. And that's Justin Bieber's song. It's a new song from Changes album. So yeah, it's our song, Ben's and my song. So yes.
Great, great. Shrishti hai, and she wants to know, will you be my Valentine in 2021?
Valentine, Ben will kill you, I'm telling you. Shrishti. Until you have to take permission from Ben. If she allows, then I don't even think so it's gonna be possible because she's gonna be there. But ask her.
काजोल है, ये पूछना चाहते हैं प्रियांक 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 आई लव यू सो मच यार. आपको देखकर दिल में घंटी बजती है.
अच्छा, ये काजोल मेरी एक फ्रेंड भी है. मुझे क्यों लग रहा है ये वही है जो ये काजोल है. उसकी घंटी जो बज रही है दिल में इस वक्त. But anyway, thank you Kajol. If you're not the Kajol I'm thinking right now, because I have a best friend whose name is Kajol Tyagi also. So if in case you're the other Kajol, so thank you so much. That's very sweet, a gesture from your end.
Bharti Arora hai, and she wants to know, do you watch Ramayan?
I have seen Ramayan when I was a kid, and I've seen a lot of cartoons of Ramayan because aate rehte the yaar, because it was so good, so interesting to keep the story. But it's been a lot of years I haven't. So yes.
Okay. And if अगर आपको रामायण में कोई रोल करने का मौका मिले तो आप कौन सा रोल करेंगे?
यार राम यार, any day. Any day. Ram is the guy. Ramji. Ramji. So I will love to actually do Ramji का role. So yes.
बस वो सादगी एंड इनोसेंस है आपके चेहरे पे, तो वो बिल्कुल.
हाँ यार. तो यूज कर सकते हैं उसे ना हम कहीं ना कहीं.
राइट. एक इंस्टा आईडी है जनरल यूएसए, एंड ये जानना चाहते हैं, if you get a chance for Hollywood movie, so what will be
what
your reaction if you get a
I will obviously I will be very happy because that's the ultimate goal for all of us. That's the ultimate. What is higher than that, you know? So it's like living the dream, achieving the dream. So nothing is bigger than that. So yes.
Great. Atishek Srivastav है, he is a admin of Team Raghav Jewel, and he wants to know Raghav Jewel के साथ कैसी बॉन्डिंग है?
यार बहुत अच्छी यार, वो तो मतलब राघव भाई तो एकदम ही बहुत फनी आदमी है यार, मतलब वो हंसाते रहते हैं, हंसते रहते हैं हमेशा। यू नो द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट दैट मैन इज व्हेनेवर ही इज देयर इन द रूम, he makes sure that everybody is laughing along with him. That's the best part of you know what you see on screen, him judging and hosting basically Dance Plus. He's exactly the same copy inside the room, sitting with all of us. You know that's the best part about him. So he's a lovely man. He's a lovely guy. So yes.
And any unforgettable moment with Rakesh? Yeah.
I think it was we were sitting over here only one of the days when he came home, I remember, and we have danced a lot, like partied a lot, Raghav and me, and along with the other friends also. So I remember one of the nights where we have gone crazy in this house, in this room only, where a lot of other people were there as well, along with me, Raghav Bhai, Dharmesh Bhai was there, one of my friends, Vinay was there, Asta was there, Ben was there. So we had a great time. Celebrating, and we just like कि हाँ मिल लिए. It was a very random ass plan, and you know random plans are the crazy है. सुबह के जो 6 बजे तक चला. So now
Oh,
guys, you guys can totally imagine what all nonsense.
moment. रूपाली गांगुली है, वो आपको हेलो बोल रही है.
Rupali ma'am, if it's Rupali ma'am, then hi ma'am, how are you?
मतीन है एंड ये जानना चाहते हैं, हाय प्रियांक, व्हाट आर योर अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स एंड आप बॉलीवुड में कब एंट्री ले रहे हैं?
यार इंशाल्लाह बहुत जल्दी. इट्स ऑल अबाउट पेशेंस. अभी तक बॉलीवुड में एंट्री हो चुकी होती, बट इट्स जस्ट दैट आई एम लुकिंग फॉर मच समथिंग मच बेटर एंड वेटिंग फॉर माय टाइम. And you know what, waiting for what I am looking for, you know. And if I get that, as soon as I get that, I will be hitting, and I'm good to wait. Patience is the key to, go out there and prove yourself. So that's what I'm right now holding on to. Yes.
वी विश यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट.
Thanks,
क्या
Vishal. Thanks.
बड़ी स्क्रीन पे.
विशाल ही आ रहा होगा इंटरव्यू लेने.
मैं
We'll
पक्का.
get them. We'll get the team.
हाँ
Any of the
बिल्कुल.
projects comes.
टाइम अगर आप टाइम दोगे मैं रोज आ जाऊंगा आपको इंटरव्यू लेने.
अरे definitely मेरे भाई, definitely.
मंगला
So
टू यू
sweet.
एंड ये रिक्वेस्ट कर रही है, आई लव यू अ लॉट, प्लीज से प्रियांशी वंस.
Priyanshi, thank you. I love you too.
या प्राउड प्रियांक शर्मा,
Aparna.
एक प्राउड प्रियांकनिया या प्रियांकन एक आपका आईडी है,
Yeah,
काफी
yeah,
बड़ा
yeah.
मतलब.
I know.
एंड देवांशी ही चलाती है, इनकी एडमिन
Okay.
है. and इनका आज बर्थडे है, सो कैन यू विश हर हैप्पी बर्थडे
A
देवांशी.
very happy birthday to you, Devanshi. I will be texting you and wishing you also, since I didn't know that it was your birthday. But a very happy birthday to you, Devanshi, and I hope this year is going to be great for you. Though it's not a great start to this year, but I really hope the entire rest of the days and the months and the entire year is going to be very a blessed year for you, for all of us, and I hope just God is going to give you a lot of happiness. So a very happy birthday to you.
सुजाता है एंड ये जानना चाहती है,
Sujata.
हु योर फर्स्ट क्रश, एंड आपने कभी बताया नहीं आपको, मतलब कौन सी लड़की पसंद थी लाइफ में.
यार ये क्यों जानना है? ये क्यों जानना है? क्रश होते रहते हैं यार, होते रहते थे यार. ये बेन देखेगी मुझे बहुत मारेगी, पता है. यू गाइज विल मेक मी किल फ्रॉम बेन्स हैंड्स. बट गाइज नो क्रश, नो, नो वन, नो वन. मैं सिंगल नहीं रहा गाइज, मैं अब सिंगल नहीं रहा.
ओके.
So
प्रियांक वर्ल्ड है एंड ये जानना चाहते हैं, विच मूवी और सीरीज ऑफ 2019 he wish he would have been a part of.
2019, which one, like who I really loved, The Family Man. It was the
Yes.
best. Like if I talk about, like, Manoj sir has killed the job. I don't know what character I would have been doing and would have fit it in the series, but I wish I was a part, because it was one insane web series and very nicely made. So yes.
ग्रेट. ईशान है एंड ये जानना चाहती है, आर यू गोइंग टू डू अ प्रोजेक्ट विद हिना खान.
Definitely. बहुत जल्द करेंगे, क्यों नहीं करेंगे.
एंड रांझना पार्ट टू इज व्हेन इट इज कमिंग.
Guys, right now everything is on a hold. Honestly, we have ourselves no clue when is gonna be happening. But sooner is it gonna be happening, and you guys will get to see Hina and me back for sure. So yes.
ओके. तो वन ऑफ योर फैन पेज प्रियांक शर्मा एफपी, वो चाहते हैं कि आप एक बार उनके शाउट आउट दे दीजिए.
What's the name? What's the name? Your voice is cracking, Vishal.
Priyank
Your voice is
Sharma.
lagging, basically. Yeah.
Priyank underscore Sharma.
All right.
Priyank underscore Sharma FP.
Yeah. Okay. So
Should I
hi
repeat?
Priyank underscore Sharma SP, right?
FP fan
If
page.
that's the thing. Perfect. FP, all right. Fan. It's a fan page. So hi Priyank underscore Sharma FP. Thank you for making a fan page of my from my name. It's one of the very sweet gestures, and thank you for handling. It really means a lot. Thank you.
Yeah. And Tanisha is the admin who manages the page. तो उनको एक बार hello बोल दीजिए Tanisha.
Hi Tanisha. Tanisha, right? Hi
Yeah.
Tanisha. I thought it's Tanish.
Okay. Yeah. And Navya's brother Ansh का आज birthday so उनको भी एक happy birthday बोल दीजिए.
A very happy birthday to you, Ansh. I hope this year is gonna be one crazy ass year.
Okay. Priyank is lifeline. इनका question है your favorite dessert.
Chocolates, anything in chocolates. Anything in chocolates just works for me because I love chocolates. There's no,
Your
chocolates are the
favorite.
end for me.
Okay. Great. Your favorite song which you have done till now. आपका खुद का कौन सा favorite है जो आपने अब तक किया?
मैंने जो अभी तक किया है उन गानों में से, I think I I have a soft corner for Buzz because I will
Oh.
always have that because that was my first song, you know. So it's always a great feeling. उसके बाद और आए, but that the first song का feeling जो आपका आता है ना, it's just one of the best things. So yes, and that too it worked really well. It did wonders for me. So Buzz, I think I have to give it to that song.
And how's your experience working with Asta Gill?
With Asta, it's great. Yeah, it's me and Asta have been. We started with Buzz, where we had no idea who we both are, and in the sets, during the sets, while shooting, we bonded so well that it just became so tight and so close that tomorrow, like I remember, we both can really sit and talk about that Asta क्या ये project करें या ना करें. If we see कि उसको फायदा है या नहीं हो रहा है, so I can either take a call or either she can take a call. It's that tight. So it's just not about projects. With Asta, it's like very, very well bonded. We both are. And we keep speaking. She's a lovely, lovely, lovely human being and a lovely girl. The best thing I love about that girl, like more than anything. And damn sweet. And I love her, yeah. I love her. So
Great to know that. Which type of movie would you like to work and your dream to work with any Bollywood actress?
there's nothing. I can't restrict myself, guys. First of all, you guys need to know that I'm open to a lot of other projects. So I can't be like picky about like what is it or what is not, like what I want to do, because I'm myself very new to it. I'm looking for what is about the character. I always see that if character is strong, how much space I have to explore the character and to make people believe in what I am trying to convey them. So it's a lot of other things, which we keep in mind always. So yeah.
Okay. Your dream to work with any Bollywood actress?
Keen to work with any Bollywood actress. I definitely yes. Well, there are a lot of them, but I will definitely love to take Alia's name because she's one hell of an actress. The kind of the hold she's having in her craft is just becoming stronger every project she does. So yes.
So somebody's commenting if Alia is going to be opposite Priyank, so ज़्यादा cute कौन लगेगा?
Arey yaar, it's definitely gonna be Alia Bhatt. Like, I'm sure there's not gonna be any comparison because first of all, she's a girl, she's a lovely, lovely, she looks damn cute. So it's gonna
Yeah.
be definitely her.
Yeah.
I will be more of a hotter version, so yes.
Describe
I'll
your
try.
friendship with Hina Khan.
My friendship with Hina Khan. Oh my God, that's how to describe it. Like I sometimes, Hina has been a person who has always like met at a reality show. We came out from a reality show and no one actually thought that even we've never expected that it's gonna be so much organic. Like I remember there are other people also who have come and gone. Honestly, between Hina and me, and I can speak about this. But at the same time, it's about consistency. It's about understanding. You know. So I think it is that. It's been 2.5 years now. Since Big Boss has ended, and look at where we stand, both of us. We might talk less, but at the same time, there's a lot of love. There's a lot of regard. There's a lot of respect for each other. So I think this is more than enough. And you know the best part that you don't get to see this kind of friendship coming out from a reality show. You know, people really don't expect, and people were not expecting that time also, but it happened. See, guys, we are here standing in front of you, like whatever relations at least I made, you know, Hina made. We are consistent with our relationships. When it comes to Ben, you know, talking about Hina, we all are in touch, and like I speak to Sapna also, like you know, keep following Sapna and all of these people. So yes, it's just there. So yes,
Great,
it's quite
great.
crazy.
Yeah. So one request is coming. Zain Khan का एक बार नाम ले लीजिए.
Zen, hi Zen.
Uh, Karthik Kaushik is asking who is the best dancer in the world according to Priyank and with whom he would like to share screen with.
So there's a name of there are two dancers basically who are my favorite and who are the world's best hip hop dancers if you see, because I'm more into urban, my inclination towards dance is towards more about urban choreographies, which is a part of hip hop again, right? So if I see that it's gonna be either Lyle Benega, you guys can search them also, and the second one is gonna be Kione, right? So these are one of the two biggest as out dancers out there. So Lyle Benega and Kione. So guys, you can search and you guys will get to know who these guys are. So yes.
या ग्रेट. प्रियांक एस किंगडम है, वो बोल रहे हैं कि सर आप हमें नोटिस नहीं करते कभी, एक बार प्लीज हमारा नाम ले लीजिए. प्रियांक एस किंगडम.
Priyank, Priyank S Kingdom. Hi Priyank S Kingdom. I just saw. I can see the text messages as well from Priyank S
या
Kingdom.
सो नेक्स्ट कमिंग. प्लीज डू अ पंजाबी डांस कवर एंड अपलोड दैट पंजाबी डांस वीडियो.
Definitely, yeah, definitely करूँगा मैं.
योर
Definitely, I
फैंस
will
आर
love to
रिक्वेस्टिंग.
do Punjabi. Yeah, definitely, I will. Thanks for letting me know also, Vishal. But I will definitely consider that, and I will be coming with, you know, one of the dance covers of Bhangra dance covers.
Shruti is asking, do you miss Divya?
Uh, there's no relationship. There's no connection. Guys, please understand. It was a reality show. She was not even my girlfriend. It was a concept of a show. You know, the concept was dating. स्प्लिट्स मिला के आई थिंक 12 से 13 सीजन हो चुके हैं. मैं 10वां कर रहा था. 10 सीजन्स में कोई कपल उठ के नहीं आया बिकॉज ये नहीं होता है. इट्स अ कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ द शो. Nothing is reality. All right, we have to come out of the show to understand what is the reality check. We deserve this because we are entertaining you inside the show. It's for 27 for 30 days we shoot. So I think we deserve a chance to pick our life partners and the partner we want to go after coming out from the show also, because show is a different scenario, your real life is a different scenario, and you deserve to pick. So guys, please understand and don't take those names which were never important in my life. She was important till the time the show was going on. As soon as show got finished, we got great love, which we have a great gratitude for. Even I'm sure she must be having, but she was not that important only for me to miss. Please understand this also. That's what I just wanted to say. Yes.
Okay. Manohari is requesting, please take her name. Manohari is her name.
Manohari. Hi, Manohari.
Yeah. So people are asking who is at the in the background. आपके पीछे कौन बैठा है?
That's my mom. That's my mom watching television. She comes in every live. She's always there. She's watching her television right now. So maybe that's.
Don't mind, can we have her face with you? People would.
Oh, definitely, mom.
हाय.
Hi, नमस्ते आंटी, कैसे हैं?
Namaste बोल रहा है वो.
नमस्ते.
वो she can't hear because of the Bluetooth is there. So that's what.
आंटी, all fans, प्रियांक सर के सारे फैंस इस वक्त आप so any message, क्या मैसेज देना
आप कुछ कहना चाहते हो सबको? वो कोई मैसेज देना चाहते हो सबको? सब आपको देख रहे हैं वैसे.
मेरे बच्चे को खूब प्यार दो, मैं यही चाहूंगी. और आप भी बहुत अच्छे हो और आपको भी बहुत प्यार हम करते हैं और आप हमसे प्यार करते हो. ये है. गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑलवेज बेटा. थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू. एक क्वेश्चन.
Thanks, mom.
मैम से क्वेश्चन पूछना है.
What? Mom, one second. एक और क्वेश्चन है. One second.
मैम को थोड़ा सीरियल डिस्टर्ब कर रहा हूँ. सॉरी फॉर दैट. मैम आपका
That's okay.
लड़कियां पूछ रही है व्हाट्स द सीक्रेट बिहाइंड क्यूटनेस ऑफ प्रियांक शर्मा.
So लड़कियां पूछ रही हैं कि मेरी क्यूटनेस का राज क्या है?
क्यूटनेस का राज तो फैमिली।
Family. It's the genes, man. It's the genes. She wants to say. It's in the genes. हम सबके genes में है cuteness बहुत.
ये देखिए सर यही पूछ रहे कि ब्यूटी गेट, बट
Thanks,
थैंक यू
mom.
मैम। एंड
Yes,
मैम
I said.
अभी ट्राई कर रहे हैं। सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज,
Yeah.
आप अपने कितने फैन पेजेस का नाम मुंह जुबानी याद रखे हैं? आपको कितने फैन
यार,
पेजेस पता है?
there are a lot of them. There are a lot of them. You know, मुझे सबके नाम भी पता है, ऐसी बात नहीं है. मुझे उन जो वो संभाल रहे हैं उनके नाम भी पता है. You know, that's the best part because I want to know. I try at least to know their names. कि कौन कौन संभाल रहा है. So I know quite a few.
ओके, प्रियांकियन फॉरएवर एक पेज है, इनका रिक्वेस्ट है कि प्लीज नोटिस द वीडियो ऑफ द हैंडमेड स्क्रैप बुक व्हिच दे हैव पोस्टेड ऑन इन।
Okay, I will definitely check that. I will definitely, guys. I'm so sorry. I've been a little bad with on my social media because I don't sit usually on my phone. So I really want to apologize because a lot of fans have been complaining and a lot of people have been complaining that I'm not much active. But you guys need to understand that we are under right now quarantine. If 24 घंटे आप phone पे बैठते हैं ना, so it actually is not good for your brains. You guys need to
Right,
understand. So rather of spending, because it's so much mind fucking already for all of us because we are home. अगर आप उल्टा फोन पे और बैठोगे ना, it just adds up and it just builds it up. मैं बैठता हूँ फोन पे, इतना नहीं बैठता. Even if I'm sitting, either I'm watching something or I'm doing something, but I'm not sitting on social media much. No. विशाल से पूछ लो मेरे मैसेजेस भी उसको कैसे आते हैं. उसको कुछ आइडिया नहीं था लाइव के लिए मैं कैसे आ रहा हूँ, कब आ रहा हूँ. सीधा डॉट 7 बजे 7 मिनट 7 बजे कितने 7:02 पे मैंने मैसेज किया, आजा विशाल. That was my text, right? Exactly. यानी हंसने लग गया. So guys, I am very very bad right now with my phone. So please excuse me if I'm not good with replies or something.
पीपल वर आस्किंग कहाँ है प्रियांक सर, मैंने बोला ये सस्पेंस है, मुझे भी नहीं पता सर।
ये किसी को नहीं पता है. प्रियांक सर कहीं नहीं है. प्रियांक यहीं पे है, घर पे ही है. But it's just that I'm mostly off my phones because I really feel that it's important for our sanity. इतना फोन्स पे आप भी मत बैठिए. एक टाइमर बांध लीजिए because शुरुआत जब हुई थी ना विशाल क्वारंटीन की, मेरा फोन मुझे अपडेट दे रहा था. आई सैट ऑन सोशल मीडिया ऑन माय फोन फॉर 6 hours, for 5 hours straight. वो रिमाइंडर्स भेज रहा था मेरे फोन दैट यू नीड टू गेट आउट योर फोन, बिकॉज मैंने रिमाइंडर्स लगा रखे हैं सोशल मीडिया के. सो यू नो देयर इज अ पर्टिकुलर टाइम लिमिट. या इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. सो गाइस प्लीज अवॉइड टू सिट सो मच ऑन द फोन एवरी डे and you know try and do and live a life which you guys have never experienced that without the phone, because वो आपको फिर जब क्वारंटीन खुल जाएगा ना, वो मिलेगा नहीं फिर से मौका. अभी इतना
Right.
काम भी नहीं है लोगों के पास. अगर आपके पास काम भी है तो आप काम कर ही रहे होंगे, आई एम सो श्योर. पर जिनके पास काम नहीं है, जैसे हमारी इंडस्ट्री में अभी you know nothing much is happening for a lot of people. So try and live the life without phones. It's crazy. I'm telling you, it's crazy.
राइट, सो सिंपल एक आइडिया है. एंड शी इज आस्किंग हु वाज योर फेवरेट कंटेस्टेंट फ्रॉम बिग बॉस 13?
Yeah, honestly, Vishal, this is a debate. बिग बॉस 13 का जो होता है ना, जब तक मैं घर के अंदर नहीं खुद होऊंगा ना, आई कैन नॉट से, बिकॉज द शो इज सो वेल एडिटेड. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं नाम ही नहीं लूंगा, बिकॉज क्या होगा, जो उनके फैंस होते हैं वो उस पे चढ़ जाते हैं, उसके फैंस होते हैं वो उस पे चढ़ जाते हैं. तो दिस इज ऑलवेज हैपनिंग. अरे मैं उनको मिलता क्या है वो करके, बिकॉज दे डोंट रिस्पेक्ट द अदर आर्टिस्ट एनी विच वे. So that becomes zero for me. I will never go ahead and step into somewhere at a place where I have to pick and choose. Colors में मुझे, I remember one of the episodes why I went and I remember production was telling me to take the name because I said that there is nobody. I remember when I took one of the name of the contestants out there, and I was not ready because I don't want to give any kind of opinion. And please guys, आपको जो पसंद है, I totally respect, and we all totally respect the your idol, but for me nobody. मैंने देखा ही नहीं honestly Big Boss 13, देखा ही नहीं. After the trailers, I'll be very honest, when I was hosting Big Boss also, it was very disturbing. This season was extremely disturbing. So मैं नहीं देख पाया बिल्कुल भी. Not even my mother. Like हम बैठ के देखते थे कि no, we can't watch it. We can't just watch this. Yeah, so it was too much this year. So yes.
तो अभी तो घरों में बिग बॉस चल रहा है, वी ऑल आर एक्सपीरियंसिंग इट.
I'm so sure for a lot of people, by the way, ये एक बिग बॉस का घर ही बना पड़ा है आप लोगों के लिए. वैसे
अभी हमें पता चल रहा है कैसे लाइफ जीते बिग बॉस वाले कंटेस्टेंट.
एग्जैक्टली. आप लोगों को पता ही चल रहा होगा ये चीज तो अभी.
Yeah. So Najuba has a question. She's asking when you will be
Yeah.
back on. हम आपको बहुत मिस कर रहे हैं. लॉकडाउन के बाद आपके कौन से प्रोजेक्ट्स आने वाले हैं?
Lockdown के बाद, guys, Punch Beat is gonna be happening. We'll start shooting for Punch. We'll start shooting for Holiday, and I'll start shooting for one of the web series. I can't take the name. I can't disclose it as of now, but I'll be doing it for sure. So you guys will get to know soonest.
Okay. सलीन तेजू है and ये आपसे
Yeah.
चाहते हैं. How's your bonding with Tejasvi Prakash?
Very good, yeah. It's been a long, long time, really long time since the time we have spoken. But whenever we both have been speaking and we have spoken in the past, she's been so sweet to me, and I love that girl. She's a damn cute girl and a very nice person. So very good vibe. They just really so yes.
Okay. So proud Priyanknian एक आपका आईडी
Aparna.
ये आपसे जानना चाहते हैं. What keeps you motivated in life? आप इतना like खुद को motivated कैसे रखते हैं?
That you have to keep telling yourself that please don't enter the comfortable zone you are into, because we all at a point in our lives, it's very simple for us to get comfortable, but that is the point from where you have to actually go ahead and start pushing yourself that no, you're not done yet. So you have to come again to your uncomfortable zone, and then you're good to go again to make and build whatever the next thing you're really hoping for. So yes.
Okay, great. Thank RG and he wants to know, sir, split film में कैसे enter कर सकते हैं?
Yeah, only production. Yeah, it's an MTV's call. So Colosseum is the production who's been making splits and roadies since a lot of years. So you guys have to take out the contact number from Google, write Colosseum Productions, the production which makes Splitsvilla. Try to contact them, tell them that you want to be a part of it. They might be asking for some auditions. The production will ask for some auditions. If anybody out there tells you that please give us money and we will let you enter in one of those reality shows like Roadies and Splits, they all are faking it. I know a lot of people like that. There are a lot of them in Delhi, especially in North, because North में craze बहुत है विशाल इस चीज का. So I'm glad that you're speaking about this. So I would just want to tell you people, there's no money involved. No one is bigger than channel. No one is bigger than the decision from channel that whosoever and the productions that jinko aana hota and the creative, especially the team, right? No one is bigger than them. They are the people who make it, right? So kuch nahi chalta. It's just about your talent, your potential. If they feel that your character fit in the show really well, they will definitely take you some year or maybe the other. So yes.
Great. Thank you for sharing that. So आपके लिए दो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स आ रहे हैं. I would like to take those. जोबिया है and ये कह रहे हैं प्रियांक आपकी मॉम आप ही की तरह बहुत क्यूट है. जोबिया.
Thank you, Zobia. Thank you. I think really all the moms are the cutest in the world. सब moms इतने प्यारे होते हैं ना. It's not even a joke. Like all of us, I'm so sure.
या कार्तिक है ये कह रहे हैं यू आर द बेस्ट मॉडल इन द इंडिया.
Who?
कार्तिक
क्या कह रहा है कार्तिक? What did he say?
बेस्ट मॉडल इन इंडिया.
Oh, thank you, Karthik. That's very sweet. But मैं model नहीं हूँ. I'm a dancer and an actor. I'm a model later. But thank you. And there are much better models out there over here in India. Since I'm not a professional, I've never been a professional model. But thanks, man. I really appreciate. That's really sweet of you to say.
Yeah. So last few questions I would like to take before we wrap up
Bola.
this live session. So if given an option of unlimited food, which one will you pick during lockdown?
Food, unlimited food any day. Data का क्या करूँगा मैं? जब खाना नहीं मिले. Any day, food lover.
Punchbeat 2 people are asking.
Punchbeat 2 guys, I know people are really excited. We all are. You guys will get to see a great and a great change in the entire story. The story is right now going ahead. Ekta ma'am is right now sitting with the entire team of how to go ahead and get the best story out for the season 2, for the season 2 and season 3. So guys, please hold it for a while. I'm sure that it's not going to be disappointing. It's going to be coming very soon for you guys. So yes.
Even I am waiting क्योंकि हमने promote करना है.
Inshallah. Yes, definitely मेरे भाई.
So एक question आ रहा है आपके लिए.
बोलो.
Who is your favorite cricketer? Danish is asking.
My favorite cricketer was any day Sachin sir. there has been no replacement. I've always been a Sachin fan myself, but now after Sachin sir, it was Dhoni, right? And now after Dhoni, it's Virat. So for all of us, because they all have been great, sensational players. The
Right.
best part, they are so hardworking that they just inspire you so much. Look at like Virat right now killing it with fitness, from
Right.
captaincy, from the batsmanship.
Again,
Everything is just so on point, and it
yeah.
is something which I feel a lot of players, great players, also were not able to achieve, especially at that point. And look at that boy killing it and how that man killing it and how. So
जिस
insane,
दिन
huge respect.
राइट जिस दिन विराट कोहली 100 नहीं बनाते तो सरप्राइज लगता है ना.
एक्चुअली ये एक्चुअली हो गया, उल्टा हो गया कि हाँ मतलब 100 नहीं मारा, विराट ने 100 नहीं मारा, ऐसी बात हो जाती है यार, अरे यार.
अक्षय
So,
ठाकुर आपसे काफी रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, एक बार को रिप्लाई कर दीजिए. अक्षय ठाकुर.
अक्षय, हाय अक्षय, कैसा है?
Yeah. 5 most widely used application on your phone right now.
My 5 most used applications gonna be Twitter, because a lot of news has been coming. Number one, Instagram, yes. Number two, WhatsApp, and number three, YouTube, because I'm listening to music. Number five is my Apple Music.
Great, great.
So you guys can actually, if you want to prioritize, Apple Music comes number one, because my songs and my playlist is always on. So that's why.
Great. So who will be the first person you would like to meet once this lockdown gets over?
The first person I would love to meet, obviously Ben. Again. So yes.
Oh, okay. Last question I
Yeah.
would like. थोड़ा
Please,
hypothetical
Isha.
है.
बोलो.
If you the world's attention towards you for 30 seconds, what will you say to the world?
Please, maintain a lot of peace. We all need unity. We all need to stand together for everything, since Corona has been the biggest example, like how we all have come out together as a community and we are supporting. And in the end, it's a fight, and we are fighting it against all of us. The entire humanity race is fighting something against, that one particular thing. So this kind of positivity is something which the world actually needs right now, so that we become better and the humanity becomes better, and are setting great examples for the rest of the other generations.
Are you there? Sir, we have lost you. Priyank, am I audible to you? आपका स्क्रीन अटक गया है. आपका स्क्रीन बफर हो रहा है. आई थिंक वी हैव लॉस्ट प्रियांक सर. ना उनका आई कांट हियर यू एंड if you can try or okay. So let me check if Priyanka is going to join us back or not. Otherwise, it was really a great time, and I hope आपके maximum लोगों के हमने questions cover किए. I am still looking if Priyanka is going to join us back, but okay, I'm still just waiting. Okay, so I think Priyank sir has left. Maybe उनका reminder आ गया कि phone बहुत ज़्यादा use हो रहा है. So I think we will wrap up this live session here. I hope आपको काफी मजा आया देख के. And soon we will be live again tomorrow with 2 new guests. And we tried our best to cover all your questions and काफी अच्छे से answer दिया प्रियांक ने. So we will be signing off now. मैं एक बार लास्ट बार चेक कर लूं कि क्या प्रियांक वापस ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं.